Hello, in front of me I have Garett Women Nicole smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the iPhone. First, you will need to turn on your smartband, and you can do it either by plugging it into charger or by pressing and holding the touch sensitive button, this one right here at the bottom of the screen, for a couple of seconds. Once the smartband turns on, go to your iPhone, make sure that you have the internet connection on your iPhone and the Bluetooth enabled. As you can see, I have both. Then open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here, then tap on the search bar, type in JU Pro, and then tap search button. You should see this application on the list, JU Pro, with this icon. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on the Get button to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And once you open the application, you will get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. The first one is the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so tap on OK. Next, we have the notification permission. This one is not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smartband, you need to allow it. If you don't care, you can deny it. And here we have the location permission. I believe it's not required, but I'm not sure if you deny it, you will be able to pair the devices. So I'm gonna allow it, but you can try denying it if you want. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this page. Here, tap on the Connect with QR code button. The app should start searching for the nearby devices, and as you can see, we have the list of devices found, and on it we have the device called E99-920D. Tap on this device, then you can set up the profile. Oh, before that we have another pop-up, basically the pairing request. Tap on Pair to pair the devices, and again we can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. I'm gonna allow it. Okay, and once we're done with the pairing and permission, we can set up the profile for our application. So we can select the units, gender, height, birthday, weight, a step goal, and then tap on complete, and you should see the home page of the application. And now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page for your smartband. And here we have it. You can also wake up the screen on your smartband by pressing on the touch sensitive button. And oh my bad, let me scroll through the options until we find the watch face. Come on. Okay, and on the watch face you should see this icon right here in the top right corner. If it has like this little bar inside of the brackets, this means that the device or the smartband is connected to a phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this smartband with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.